that's weird. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with an episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and I swear I already hit record. I'm doing the Magic Noodles by Chef Wu. Ramen Express by Chef Wu, rather. These are color-changing noodles. It was recording and then it just stopped. At least I think it was recording. But, yeah, these noodles change color. Pretty trippy. Anyways, it is Fun Friday. And hopefully it will continue to be a fun Friday. We need an egg. So bring forth the egg I shall. The magical egg of truth and the blade of happiness and exultation. And the nose of irritation. So we got it all, folks. We got it all. And yeah, it should be an interesting set of odd events unfolding soon. Elon Musk bought Twitter, threat of nuclear war, people getting hit by baseballs, oh yeah, and this. Well, I'll show you on the next one. It kind of goes more with the next one. Okay, it didn't explode this time. Last time, it says 2 to 3 minutes. And last time I did 3 minutes. We've got a 1250 watt microwave and I put it at 70%. Yeah, that works definitely a lot better. Okay, so, wow, these are gonna be blue. God, the extra 30 seconds makes a big difference, though. It's really strange how things like this work with microwaves. Microwaves are voodoo, let me tell you. It's really weird technology. But yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but that's very blue. That's like robin's egg blue noodles. But I've tried these and they're really quite good. Wait, it's blue, isn't it? Now I'm kind of second guessing myself. I've got bad color acuity, so kind of hard to tell if it really is blue. Yeah. It's got a nice chickeny broth, I gotta admit. And it's vegan. Vegetarian. For the vegan folk. From Vegan Land. Which is fun. I'm gonna go with this one. Let's go right like that. That. That's better. Alright, so we have this. It's tasty. I gotta say, this is a really decent cup of noodle action here. Decent amount of veg, too. Which I like. But look, it's blue! The other one that they have, and you can't tell which is which. That's kind of, I think, the magical part. But the other one is more of a pink. My daughter thoroughly enjoys that action. But I can't tell which is which. Until it's prepared, obviously. Bag. Uh-oh. I hear somebody trying to take off somebody else's socks. No sock removal. Leave your sister's socks alone, Miles. Come on, Miles. And we got chicken. I wish I would have made it blue. How could I know? It's magic. Chicken, chicken. Chicken, chicken, chicken. A little bit of spring onion. And some seeds. So yeah, blue noodles. Who'd have thunk it? It really isn't bad at all. It's really quite good. Yeah, I really like these Ramen Express varieties. They're pretty darn good. So let's rotate. All right, well, cool. Thank you very much for watching the third one I'm doing today, and the last one I think for this week. I might do more tomorrow, I don't know, but this is the Ramen Express by Chef Wu vegetarian hot and spicy chicken. So with that, I'll see you tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.